But now I come to step number 4. And that is what it says here. The truth will set you free. The truth will set you free from fear also. You are to speak the truth against the lie of your enemy. You have to speak the truth against Satan. In Psalm 15 verse 2 it says, we have to learn to speak the truth in our heart. Speaking the truth is a skill, it is a discipline. The power of God's truth will always defeat Satan's lies. So speak the truth. Let me give you some truths that you can speak. 2 Timothy 1:7. And this is what it says. God has not given us a spirit of fear and timidity, but of power, love, and self-discipline. God has not given us what? What has God not given us? A spirit of? Come on, I just said. Hello, where are you? God has not given us a spirit of fear and timidity. You know what is timidity? Fear is dar, timidity is darpok. So God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity. But what has He given us? He has given us spirit of power, love, and self-discipline. That's one verse you can say to yourself. That's one verse you can learn for yourself. God has not given us the spirit of fear and timidity, but of power, love, and self-discipline. I will not listen to the lies of the enemy, because He has given me the spirit of power. He has given me the spirit of love. There's great power in love. And He has given me the spirit of self-discipline. I will speak the truth. Now here is another verse I will give you. And this is easy to remember. It is 2:3-4. You can remember 2:3-4? It is Psalm 23 and verse 4. So 2:3-4. And this is what it says. Even when I walk through the dark valley of death, I will not be afraid. I will not fear. For you are close beside me. Your rod and your staff, they protect and comfort me. So when you are going through fear, speak the truth and say, God has not given me the spirit of fear and timidity. He has given me the spirit of power and love and self-discipline. Even if I walk in the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, because God is with me. His rod and His staff will protect me, will comfort me, will look after me. Jesus said, lo, I am with you always, even to the end of the earth. Let me tell you the end of the stories. Last week I told you the story of that man who started walking across a 10-inch wide beam. And when he reached the center, you remember? Somebody saw him and said, what are you doing, man? You're crazy. And he got frozen and petrified. And he says, the enemy told me, where are you standing, you fool? Look down, how high it is. And you are going to fall. And you are going to die. You are going to break all your bones. And he said, I was petrified. But then he said, I spoke the truth to the enemy. And I said, if there was a 10-inch wide line on the floor, would I be able to walk on it? Of course I'll be able to walk on it. I will walk on it for miles. This is 10-inch wide. I will not fall. And he walked across. What was the truth I spoke to myself in Tambaram, in Madambakam camp as I was sleeping, inside that hot room, and my baby sweating, and I'm sweating. And I said, what a fool I am to listen to Satan. This is not America. There are no gangsters here. There are no gunmen walking around the road and they will see my light and bang, bang, shoot at me. How foolish I am. This is foolishness. There are guards on the road. There are guards on the gate. So you know what I did? I took my baby, I opened the door, I went out and I slept out. So do your FTF, feared thing first. Remember to do FTF. Do your feared thing first. Yeah. Another time, now I belong to Palampur. Our house was in the middle of a jungle. And all alone, no other houses near us. And in Himachal Pradesh, we had tin roof. One day there was a storm. And suddenly I heard noise. I told you I slept alone. I slept in the dark. I had my own room. I heard noise over my roof. Tin roof, I can hear. And you know, in Palampur, the place where I live, in winter time, leopards come down. And I thought, leopard on my roof. And he's scratching the roof and he's going to jump in. Now what did I do? Did I run to my mom's room and say, Mommy, I want to sleep with you? There is something on my roof. No, I told you. I was taught, do your feared thing first. So I said to myself, even if there is a leopard up there, how will he get in? The roof will not break. My windows are closed. The door is closed. And I slept. I slept. In the morning when I went out to see the leopard, what I saw was that in the storm, a branch had broken and was hanging over my roof, and with the breeze, it was making that scratching noise on the roof. Find the origin of your fear and speak the truth. Show the Satan that your lies will not work on me. Speak the truth. And the strongest truth you can speak to Satan is the truth of God's word. And you can overcome fear. God bless you.